Guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. It's nice to have you here with me again. So guys, today I'm just gonna make a small amount of cookies, and this is called a butter cookie. Here in this bowl I have 75 grams of sugar and 72 grams of butter, and this is like half of a cup each. So I'm gonna cream this, and then you will see the other steps that we need to take. So guys, stay tuned and continue watching. And guys, while we're doing that, please remember to like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you guys. So guys, this is what your butter and sugar should look like when you're finished. Guys, also I forgot to mention, if you don't have a mixer, you could always use a spatula. So guys, we're gonna move to our other ingredients. So here in this cup I have a cup of flour and 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and also here I have 1 egg, but I'm not gonna use an entire egg. I'm gonna use less than a half of the egg. So these are ingredients, and I'm gonna be adding my egg slowly to the butter. So guys, that's enough egg. I'm not gonna add any more egg to this. So guys, I have combined my ingredients, my flour and my spices and baking powder, my spice and baking powder. So I'm gonna be adding this in a small amount. And I'll be adding all of the flour, the remaining flour. So guys, from here I can just use my hand to continue because we're trying to get a dough here. So I'm just gonna use my hands to continue. So guys, here you have it. Our dough is ready. I'm gonna wrap this in a cling wrap bag, in a cling wrap paper, and put this in the fridge for 20 minutes. So guys, here is our dough. I'm gonna put this in the fridge, just wrapping it in some cling wrap. And put this in the fridge for 20 minutes. So guys, this is my cookie dough. I flour my mat and I put this on the mat, and we are going to make our cookies. So guys, I'm just flouring also my rolling pin, and we're gonna roll this to about 1 inch thickness. About a 1/2 inch thickness. That's okay. So guys, this is my cookie cutter, and I'm using this side. So there you have it. Also, I already have my baking tray, and I'm putting them on it. Guys, I'm just gonna pull this back together and do the same thing until it's complete. So guys, there you have it. So I get in total 15 from that amount. And guys, I have my oven preheating at 180 degrees Celsius, and I'm gonna pop these in the oven for 15 minutes to bake, and then we will see what that looks like as soon as it get out. So guys, here you have it, fresh from the oven. My cookies are done, and yes guys, this is it. So guys, please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and don't forget to leave a comment or give me a like if you do like this video. Guys, until the next video, bye bye.